Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be looking ahead at one of the most anticipated features coming to the HERMES application, Hub Control. When you open Hub Control today, you'll notice an under construction message. That note simply means the feature is still in development, but it gives you a preview of what's on the way. Once complete, Hub Control will add a new level of customization and automation to your HERMES experience. In its final form, Hub Control will serve as a central hub for managing curated Hubitat rules and automations developed by the HERMES automation team. These rules will extend the capabilities of HERMES, helping you automate key actions, fine-tune alarm responses, and make your smart home even smarter. You'll be able to browse, implement, and adapt these pre-built automations directly within the app. Each one will be designed to improve emergency response, streamline security management, and add convenience to your daily routines. Check back often for new releases and updates, as Hub Control features will roll out in staged updates beginning in 2026. Here's a quick look at what's planned for the first release. Auto-unlock doors on alarm. Automatically unlocks selected doors when an alarm is triggered, allowing quick exit or first responder access. Siren control. Activates or silences connected sirens during alarm events. Chime control. Enables or disables chimes for entry-exit awareness. Auto-reset switches. Resets virtual switches after use to enable future triggers. Auto-lock doors. Relocks doors automatically after an event or period of inactivity. Auto-arm away mode. Arms your system when everyone has left home. Auto-arm night mode. Arms night mode automatically based on time, presence, or household activity. Delay smoke alarm for HSM. Adds a short delay to smoke or CO alarms to prevent false triggers before dispatch. Battery notifications. Monitors device batteries and alerts you when replacements are needed. Once Hub Control is released, you'll be able to activate or customize these features with just a few clicks, eliminating the need to build complex rules from scratch and making your HERMES system faster, smarter, and more responsive when it matters most. Stay tuned for updates, and thank you for being part of the HERMES community.